The system's broken, absolutely. One banana peel is okay, but a million is not. We crossed the threshold, certainly a long time ago, where Mother Nature can heal herself.
Sebelum kita menggunakan mesin komposter, kita bekerja sama dengan third party yang memberikan kami pupuk kompos setiap 3 bulan sekali. Tetapi sekarang kami dapat mensuplai kompos kami dalam 24 jam. The rubbish must be resolved by high technology. We can't use a manual basis, we can't use traditional one.
Tanpa kita membeli kompos dari luar, tapi kita mengolah kompos dari sampah yang kita produce, kita bisa saving money sebenarnya.
It was the most exciting moment of my life when seeing this kind of machine was come to life. Last purchase of chemical fertilizer between March or May last year, sampai sekarang semua masih sealed. We didn't touch it a lot. Kita sudah menggunakan kompos dari digester mesin. 20 tahun ke belakang, palm oil ini tidak berbuah sama sekali. Dan saya langsung menggunakan kompos tersebut untuk sawit ini. Kurang dari 3 bulan setelah itu, sawit kita itu berbuah. It's just amazing. It was crazy, just like me.
Before we are using every garbage together and we never follow the segregation. But after this composter machine is easy to segregation and easy to waste management. Machine function is good. It's very easy. We just put it the machine. The wastage is automatically it will happen. We no need to do anything. We can control our food cost also because when we are using this one, we really know how many food we are wasting.
I'd like to think that nations will start to adopt a more decentralized approach to waste management, keeping the organics closest to source. Hotels, malls, schools, hospitals, airports, ports, they're all large producers of organic waste that doesn't have to go on a truck. It doesn't have to become somebody else's problem.
Bali has a Hita Karana, human with human, human with environment, human with the God. So this environment we have to protect.
I don't say that everybody needs to follow us, but you can approach Shiva for this.
We take from the earth, we give back to the earth.